Hello everyone and welcome to the introduction to AI agents. I'm Elvito and today I'll be giving you a quick overview of AI agents. What are they? How do they differ from the normal AI tools that we are using like GPT, Claude and other ones? And I'll be also helping you to understand how we can apply them to transform our business operation. So first of all, what are AI agents? AI agents basically are software programs that can run independently to complete your task using AI models. So these AI agents, I can call them digital employees because they can complete complex tasks like employees, except that they don't sleep and they always follow instructions. So we need to understand the difference between AI tools and AI agents. And AI tools here, I mean normal AI tools like ChatGPT. When you enter ChatGPT in your web browser and start a chat session. So here we are going to see how the two scenarios using the normal workflow of going through ChatGPT and doing all the tasks and using AI agents differs. So on the left side, as you can see here is the manual workflow, and it's a 6-step process. As you can see, it takes up to 20 minutes. And this workflow is basically a client communication workflow where we need to send a client an email and schedule a meeting. So using AI tools, example ChatGPT, we open ChatGPT, we have to explain the context, we ask for client email draft, then we copy from ChatGPT to Gmail application, we format our email the way we want it to be, we add attachments, we open calendar app, and we create the meeting. So here, for one client, it can take up to 20 minutes. Now you can imagine for 100 clients, what will happen. So using AI agents or automated AI workflow, it's just simply telling the agent, send clients update meeting for next Tuesday. The AI agent access all the apps automatically, Gmail, calendar, and client data, and it drafts an email and set the meetings and notifies you when it's complete. And this can take maximum 30 seconds. So you can see that these AI agents are really, really fast and they can help business operation go fast as well. So why AI agents? So firstly, I want to show you this chart of the AI agent search term in the past few months. As you can see, from September, it starts rising up to 2025. Now it's actually still rising. Remember, this was the time the AI tools like ChatGPT were already created long ago. It's last year, 2024. So this means that a lot of people are being interested in this topic and want to see the way they can use it either in their business or to create agents and sell them to make money or buying them, and all of those things makes it very interesting to enter this stage of AI agents and try to understand them. So the first benefit is that they are very scalable. Unlike human resources, you can deploy additional like AI agents, as we saw here in the previous slide. We saw that, imagine if it was 100 clients, you would have to hire a lot of like employees to handle all of those workload. But with AI agents, you can simply maybe increase the number of agents or the size of the server on which it's deployed on, and it will increase the workload. Secondly, it's very cost savings. I think this complements the first one because if you're hiring a lot of employees, you're going to be spending a lot of money, but using agents, which could cost up to few cents, even few dollars, as you understand it will like reduce the cost that you would pay for human labor who are performing repetitive routine tasks. The third one is that they are operational efficiency. As we saw, AI agents do not sleep. So if you have your AI agent working, it will be working 24/7. So anyone who wants to a service which is offered by it could get it instantly. Fourth one is that they have adaptive learning, so they can learn from mistakes and improve. And based on feedbacks, they could like do things that you want in time. The fifth one is the personalization. You can tailor the interaction with those AI agents based on the customer, and this won't kill the quality of how it interacts with other customers, so it's also a benefit. And let's go to where to use AI agents. Here I have four places where we can use those AI agents. The first one is marketing, and I think this is the major one where it's being used, and people are using it to, for example, find qualified leads, send them cold emails, and schedule calls. This was tasks which were done by like a lot of employees, and now business which are using AI agents are saving up to 4,000 per month. This is the amount of salary that you could pay a salesperson. So it's really, really helpful in marketing. People are also using it in content creation. A lot of content you see on YouTube, on Instagram Reels and Shorts, they are actually, some of them are actually made by AI and not even being made, but also posted by AI and analyzed by AI. So in content creation, you could apply the AI agents, and it could save you a lot of money that you could hire people to assist you in doing it. In project management, also AI excels in managing all the workflows that project managers do, as they are also repetitive. So people are also saving up to this amount of money that they were hiring, that they were paying to project managers. AI agents also is being used in recruitment process. Imagine posting a job and it has over 10,000 applicants, how to screen through them. In the past, it was a very, very big job for hiring recruiters. So it's also saving a lot of money in HR recruitment costs to screen the applicants, to schedule all the interviews, and to send personalized follow-ups to all the candidates. So I hope this video was very helpful, and I'll be trying to do all other specific videos to explain how to make your own AI agent in the following videos. So hopefully this was very helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you very much. It's your boy Elvito.